So what we do here at the lab is, first of all, we create smiles. But with that, we fix electronic devices, whether that's cell phone screens, anything from iPads to micro soldering a little chip on a board to just helping you with backing up your device. Well, how I got started with this is broke my phone about 2.5 years ago and fixed it myself. After I broke my phone and fixed it, I had some friends that asked me to do theirs. Then we part-time for a year with still another full-time job in a little 12x14 space in Syracuse. Fast forward to last May, we moved here in Warsaw, and we have a lot bigger space here, and it's still pretty crowded sometimes. So it's been a good year the last year, and this year what we're gonna come out with more is just more information-based. And there's been a need for a mobile repair. So that might be something we're looking into, especially for businesses. Just go to different businesses. Once this day we're this business, that's become a need. So that's kind of where we're going. And one of my passions is just helping people solve issues to create a positive experience in their life. So yeah, come see us at the lab, where you come in with a frown and we'll hopefully send you off with a smile.